Good morning, Mateo. Good morning. Good morning. So today is Tuesday. It is the second day that Matt has gone back to work, so it's just me and little Mateo. I put him in his chair while I try to make some breakfast. Hey there. Hoping he'll stay calm. So this morning thought I would make breakfast burritos. We have a good recipe with tofu and a lot of vegetables. So that's what I'm trying to make, if I can make it fast enough before Mateo starts to be hungry again. So the chair we found is actually a chair that we found on Marketplace for like $30. Obviously we're not going to bring this chair when we're going to start traveling again, but we thought because we still have about 2 months left in Quebec, and because I am now alone with Mateo all day, we thought it would be really practical to have some place to put him down, because yesterday we didn't have it. We went to grab it yesterday, and it was kind of hard because anytime I would try to make food or take a shower, it would be pretty impossible because I would have to hold him at all times, so it was pretty bad. He seems to like the chair, but whenever he's in the same position for too long, he hates it. So it's the same with like the car seat and things like that. He likes to be on the move at all times, just like us. So I guess our baby is meant to be with us. Okay, so the chair was not working really well, but we also found this on Marketplace. This is the Baby Bjorn baby carrier. This is pretty expensive. I think it's about 120 Canadian dollars when it's new. And we found a bunch of baby stuff for $30, and this was included in it, so we're pretty happy about it. So this morning, Matt went on a run. He started doing something called I don't know, I think it's like the Couch to 5K or something like that. It's been years since he last ran, and he has brand new shoes, so we wanted to start running again. So yeah, that's what we're doing this morning, and I'm slowly preparing breakfast. I just put him down for his first nap of the day. So what we have planned this week is we're supposed to get his birth certificate by Friday, and then we need to go to the Service Canada office to make his first passport. We're really excited. We heard that there is quite a delay right now, so we want to make sure we have his passport ready by the time that we go to Spain. We need to call WestJet because when we first bought our tickets, Mateo wasn't born yet, so we need to add him to our party of two. He's gonna sit on our lap, and we have a overnight flight. So yeah, I need to call them and just make sure that it's okay, even if we didn't add him when we first bought the tickets. So I think I'm gonna do that today. It's also really warm right now. It's starting to feel like summer. Today it's gonna be 23 degrees Celsius, which is really hot for the month of May in Quebec. We're probably gonna go take a walk. I'm gonna put him in a stroller, and we'll probably go to the park. So yeah. If we are wondering where Matt is, he's working from home. But because Matteo is crying a lot these days, he decided to go work downstairs. We have a co-working space in our building, so that's where he went to. Matteo is a little bit more than 5 weeks old now, and they say that 6 weeks is usually the time where they cry the most, and then it's supposed to go down. So we're gonna see. He has some problem with his digestion and with reflux, so it's really hard to get him to sleep, but it's getting better every day, so yeah. I just breastfed Matteo, and now we're gonna attempt to go take a walk outside. Lunchtime was a little chaotic. Lunch break with a baby. Matt only had half an hour to eat because he wants to finish early today, because it's my dad's birthday and he's coming to dinner. And then little Matteo didn't really want to go to sleep, so he was crying a lot, and I thought, let's go back for another walk, because walks really seems to soothe him. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to a different location. Probably gonna go to the Plains of Abraham, which is a really big park here in Quebec City. And I brought my book. Who knows, maybe he'll sleep and I'll have some time to read. And yeah, let's go enjoy this sunny afternoon. So I didn't film the rest of our walk earlier because Matteo just started crying really hard. I think he was hungry, so we just came back home. I fed him, and now we just took a nap, a 1-hour nap that was needed for the both of us. And Matt just finished working. He went to grab a bottle of wine for the dinner tonight with my dad. So yeah, we'll try to film that. We're making a vegan bolognese for dinner. Yeah, if you didn't know, Matt and I eat plant-based. We were both vegetarian before, and we said that we wanted to become vegan before Matteo was born, so that's what we did. We'll show you what our dinner looks like later. My dad just left. We had such a nice dinner. The vegan bolognese was so good. We'll link the recipe down below. And now Matteo is getting pretty tired, so we're gonna give him a bath, and then it's gonna be sleepy time for the whole family. I'm gonna show you his bath setup in a minute, but basically what we decided to do is get a inflatable bathtub so we can bring it in our luggage, so anywhere we are in the world, even if we don't have a bath, like in our apartment right here, we only have a shower, we can still give him a bath. But yeah, I just wanted to end the video. Thanks for coming along with during our day, and we'll see you in the next video.